Hey, Rick from Papa Bear Racing here, and today we're going to look and see if it's true if you can use this boiled linseed oil to go ahead and restore all the black trim on your car for under 20 bucks. All right, I'm here with a quart of boiled linseed oil. This is the Clean Strip brand. It's a brand I recognize, and I bought this off Amazon for $18.05. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if those rumors are true, and I'm going to apply this to my bumper trim and see if it works. Also, before we go too far, I'm not sponsored by Summit. I'm just wearing the shirt. Okay, here's the plan. We're going to try this stuff on the old Ranger, and if it looks good, then we're going to do it on the Jeep, but we're not going to put it on the Jeep unless it works. So, this is the stuff I bought online. It has to be boiled. Since it was my cars, I went with a brand I knew, Clean Strip. There's cheaper brands out there, but this stuff looked good. This is a microfiber cloth from Harbor Freight. We're going to put this on. We're going to put some on the side over here. Wow, what a difference. All right, I think I'm going to go ahead and finish up this bumper, and then I'm going to bring the Jeep up. The Jeep is really faded, and I think it'll show more. Okay, we're back. Since it passed the truck, we're going to go ahead and try it on the Jeep. Here's a pretty good shot of what we just did up here. I'm going to go ahead and do down here too and see how that goes. So from what I understand, this will also work on gray trim, not just black. And, you know, I saw all these things on the internet, and they all said this stuff will last like a good 6 months. Okay, let's look at that. What a difference. So here's the walk around looking at all the trim on the Jeep. This stuff for 18 bucks. So I mean, it's not super expensive, but I used about to here. And I did the entire Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I did my Ford Ranger pickup. All right, final thoughts here. Well, it's true. You can use boiled linseed oil to restore all the black trim on your car for under 20 bucks. I bought that quart of linseed oil for $18.05 on Amazon, and I barely used any of it. This is one of those things where you see it on the internet, and sometimes it's true.